guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Telegram account with email. So let's get started. If you are trying to create a Telegram account with using your email, so now let's see if we can create an account with using our email on Telegram. So now if you just simply open up your Telegram application and then try to create an account, then first it will ask you to enter your phone number. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and then enter the phone number and then log into your account by entering the 6-digit code that you'll receive in your phone number. And after entering and creating an account from here, just have to tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left, and after tapping on the three bar icon, just tap on settings. After tapping on settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, and then tap on two-step verification. After tapping on two-step verification, now you have to enter your account's password. After entering the password, just tap on arrow, and after tapping on arrow, now you will find add email address. So I have already added an email address, so that is why I have an option which is change recovery email. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and then add an email, and after adding an email, now you have successfully added the email on your Telegram. And now if you just try to log into your Telegram application, then unfortunately we can't do that, so we have to enter our phone number to log into our Telegram. But what you can do is, if you have forgotten your account's password, then you can use your email address to create a new password and then use this password to log into your account. So you can add an email address on your Telegram, but you cannot use that email address to create an account or to log into your account. So unfortunately we don't have that option. So that's it guys, this was about how to create Telegram account with email. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.